1-inch ball nose, pretty much the workhorse of the Sterling edge line, 6 inches long on a 1-inch shank. You have approximately 4.5 inches of 1-inch shank, which allows you to move the holder farther up and down in the holder to shorten up the length should you not need the full length of the tool, make it a more stout, rigid cutter where you can take a little more aggressive cuts with it. Its high points being that our style of ball nose insert uses a total different locking mechanism than most of our competitors. We use a 110-degree angle V, which the screw pushes down on the bottom part of the insert screw hole, locking the insert in the pocket, so it eliminates any side-to-side movement. Another difference of our ball nose versus our competitors is the thickness of our insert is much thicker. Our style of grind is totally different, where we go from a negative at the nose to positive as you get outside the radius, and it tends to like a much heavier feed load. We normally push this cutter anywhere again from 2200 to 2800 RPMs, taking anywhere 50 thousandths depth of cut and a feed rate of at least 100 inches a minute. The depth of cut feed rates will vary depending on your style of machine, whether you have a 40 taper or a 50 taper. And obviously the stronger the machine, the more you can aggressively run the tool. We actually have another style of insert, grind, that will fit in the same tool body. It's a style of grind where your cutting edge stays right on center line the whole way, and it is made just for light finish cuts at high RPMs, high feed rates. And what we mean by that is 30 thousandths depth of cut or less. Insert is normally run in a tool body that has a carbide shank for shrink fit holders, and you may run that 5,000 plus RPMs. It's anywhere from 10 to 30,000 depth of cut, or at least 150 to 200 inches a minute feed rate, depending on your machine and the part that you're working on. But it gives a superior finish, gives longer life, and fits in the same tool body as our standard insert, same screw, same everything. It's just a premium insert for light finish cuts at the higher RPMs, higher feed rates that a lot of the high-end machines today can use.